Good morning. For today's Surfboards.com behind the scenes video, we are picking, packing, and shipping a Volcom hooded changing towel, and it's going to Michelle in Lafayette Hill, Pennsylvania. The Volcom hooded changing towel. If you want to see your order picked, packed, and shipped, all you got to do is send us an email. Just as easy as that. So, Michelle, your towel is in bin A3D10B, so let's go grab it. A3D10B. So your towel should be in here. It's black in color. 887 is the last bit of the UPC. I'm just grabbing black things and checking. And that looks like that's going to be it. I'm going to double check our pick using the scanner. These green means I got the right item. These hooded changing towels are kind of cool because they just drape over your body. There's a hood on them, so if you're changing out of a wetsuit or changing into a swimsuit or whatever you're doing at the beach, it allows you to do that in private. It's kind of like a bathrobe almost. So they're kind of cool, and we have lots of them on the website. All right, I'm telling the computer what order to process. Now I'm asking it to weigh it. Because this is a little bit bigger, I'm going to add some dimensions to it. And now the computer is trying to get us a shipping service that'll work. I didn't like the shipping service that it suggested, so I'm going to change a few things here. Okay, and the computer should print out a shipping label here in just a second. I don't know if you noticed, Michelle, but we included a free Surfboards.com sticker. We do that for every order. And it'll be just a moment. The first shipping labels of the day seem to take a little longer than normal, but here it comes. Michelle, your towel should be in your mailbox in Pennsylvania probably about 3 days. So today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'd look for it in your mailbox on Saturday, maybe the following Monday. Thanks a million for your order, Michelle.